Hello. So, hi. So I wanted to show you how to measure space. Basically, we're standing in a fully gutted house. When you're measuring this type of space and making a floor plan, it's very important to understand that there's going to be a floor added, as well as the ceiling, half-inch drywall, 3/4 to an inch for the flooring. So you have to incorporate that into your measurements. Also, when you're measuring the width, especially this kitchen is going wall to wall, consider the same idea. At least take away an inch from the measurements. And all you need is measuring tape. I recommend graph paper using 6 inches for every square. This way you get more precision and more detailed, and then you can always calculate approximately how many feet if you forgot to put a measurement. And this just becomes more organized drawing. I just draw it on a plain paper, and basically measuring every wall in perimeter, and measuring the bulkhead, and making sure when anything is sticking out, like this wall in the first measurement I missed it, so this wall is bumped out. It's very important when laying out an island. You need to know all these details and understand that the clearance there is going to be affected by this wall, because now it's not flush. So when we do an island, we need to know all these sizes. So off we go. Done.